Hello everyone. Hope you all are healthy. We all like to eat outside, right? We love to spend a lot of money on restaurant food. And especially we vegetarians always die for having paneer in our platter. But in order to keep healthy and fit, we have to compromise with our eating desires. But not now. Because today we will make something really healthy and tasty. Also, we will know how our main ingredient is beneficial for us. So let's get started. So we will start with gravy. We need some veggies here. Tomatoes, 3 to 4. The spicy ladies, green chilies. Then we need onion, 1 to 2 for making gravy. We would need some more veggies later. Put the gravy veggies on a pan and dry roast it until it turns soft. Now add them to a grinder after it cool completely. Grind them after adding some water. Now to get a smooth creamy texture, we will add my secret ingredients. 7 to 8 cashews and 2 medium-sized paneer cubes. We have got it ready. Now let's make some more things ready. We need a capicum and an onion, which we need to cut into squares like this. Now we will dry roast them as well. Keep that aside. Next, let's make our paneer ready. Cut it into cubes or any desired shape. Take 2 teaspoon oil in a pan. Spread oil with the brush on all over the pan. Once roasted from one side, turn the other side. Add some basic spices like salt, red chili powder, amchur powder, turmeric powder. Mix well and coat all cubes. Now we'll be moving to the next thing. Now let's cook the gravy. Take a kadai. I'm taking an iron one. Add a tablespoon of oil. After oil gets heated, add cumin seeds and heeng. Now a big secret to give your curry color like restaurant style curry. Add turmeric powder and red chili powder to the oil. So keep the flame low, don't burn it. Soon after adding that, we will be adding the paste, okay, which we have already made in the beginning. Now you can see the color. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Mix after it is mixed well. Now we have to add salt to taste. I use pink salt, so I have added that. You can add some water to adjust the consistency as well. Mix it properly. Now we have to give it a boil so that it will become a bit thick, and then we will be adding our veggies and paneer to it, which we have already roasted. Okay, now once that is done, just cook it for another 2-3 minutes and it is all ready to serve. Now you can see that I have served it with the grated paneer and 2-3 pieces of cashews. Your restaurant style uh, Kadai Paneer is ready from the simple ingredients which are available in your kitchen very easily. So you don't have to spend a lot of money for eating this, and just prepare it yourself and enjoy the meal. Paneer or Indian cottage cheese is a popular dairy product in South Asian cuisines. It offers numerous health benefits. Paneer is an excellent source of protein, making it ideal for vegetarians. It helps in muscle building and repair. Calcium in paneer strengthens bones and teeth and helps in the proper functioning of the heart, muscles, and nerves. Paneer is also low in carbohydrates and high in protein, which helps in keeping you full for longer, thus aiding in weight management. Paneer contains healthy fats which can improve heart health. It can help in heart health when consumed in moderation. It also has omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. The vitamins and minerals in paneer, such as vitamin D, potassium, and magnesium, support a healthy immune system. It is rich in dietary fiber, which helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The low carbohydrate content and high protein make paneer a suitable choice for those looking to regulate blood sugar levels. The antioxidants in paneer help in maintaining healthy skin by preventing damage from free radicals. The high calcium and phosphorus content in paneer support bone density and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Paneer contains essential nutrients that support cognitive functions and improve brain health. Now, you must have understood that how important paneer is for our health. So, why not to include that in our diet? We can use it in different ways, like in salads. We can make dessert from it. We can use it in curries. We can just eat it raw. We can just dry roast it and eat it as a snack. So, don't hesitate to include it in your diet. Also, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share my channel. I really need your love. I just want you to just give me a lot of love so that I would be able to serve you the way I am doing now. I'll see you in the next video. Eat healthy, stay healthy, take care. Bye.